Welcome. In this video I will show you how to make your Lenovo V15 work faster. To make your laptop work faster instantly, you have to right click the battery icon, go to power and sleep settings, then select power mode and change the balanced mode to best performance mode. You can do this for both plugged in and on battery. However, if you change this mode to best performance when your device is working on battery, it will make your laptop discharge very quickly. Now the next thing that you can do in order to make your device faster is remove startup applications, the ones that you don't need. In order to do that, you have to right click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, then go to the startup applications on the sidebar, and in this menu you're gonna have to select sort the applications by status. Once they have enabled status, start up when your device turns on. As you can see, for me those are mostly Microsoft applications, so these are more or less the essentials and I don't need to turn them off. But if you have some applications like game launchers or messengers that you don't necessarily need to start up when you turn on your PC, you can just right click such application, select disable, and it will prevent this application from turning on with your laptop, which will not only reduce the startup time of your computer, but will also make make its work more productive by reducing the amount of applications working in the background. You can also go to processes section and see if there are any applications that use a lot of your memory or CPU, or the background processes that you don't need and you know what these processes do. You can just as well right click such a process and select end task, and it will stop this process and therefore it will use less of your device's resources. Also, don't forget to close the tabs that you don't need when you're browsing the internet, as tabs use a lot of your RAM memory. And also make sure to keep your device up to date by going to settings, going to system settings, to Windows Update on the sidebar, and check for updates regularly, and to see if there are any updates for your computer every once in a while. Keeping your firmware in touch with your hardware is always great. You can also check for advanced and driver updates in advanced options, in optional updates. And if you have some, for example, driver updates here, then surely hit the checkbox next to the ones that you see right here. Click download and install all the latest driver updates for your computer. Now, besides that, I highly recommend going to the Microsoft Store and download the Lenovo Vantage application for your computer. It's the official software from Lenovo. Just click get right here, download this application, and then open it on your computer. Once it's installed, you can also check for updates here, clicking this quick button that will scan for your device for any available updates that are not available in the Microsoft Update section. And besides, well, let's wait until the updates are checked for. So no updates available. Besides, you can go to the hardware scan in this application, and I recommend using this feature, well, from time to time at least. Just perform a quick scan, select custom, and wait until the components are loaded. Okay, click agree. Yes, and now from time to time just scan your computer by clicking scan. It will take a while, but it will this way you'll make sure that your hardware works efficiently. You can also go to my software. Oh no, I thought it was optimization feature. No. Here we have smart performance. So here you can also download the smart performance application, which is the official software by Lenovo. Click get started, then wait until the scan is complete. Okay, so once the scan is complete, as you can see, for me it returned the best result. So I don't think I should do anything with my PC, but you can always sign up for the Lenovo Smart Performance and download this application to keep your performance tuned 24/7, as they mentioned it right here. And so that's basically it. Oh, you can see they actually fixed a lot of issues and removed all unnecessary stuff from my computer, so I think it's great. And these are all the ways to keep your device run smoothly. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.